Dude, she's got major boogers. She doesn't need a napkin. That was funny.
I need a napkin.
Did you get showered on?
It's not on.
Alright.